Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will discuss about the branching of the aorta. So it will be just basically a short summary of how the aorta branches. Then in the next video, we'll further discuss the blood supply to the brain, how the aorta plays a role in this blood supply to the brain, of which it forms the circle of Hellis. So we'll discuss that about in the next video. So basically now we'll just give a brief background of the aorta. So we all notice that the aorta is a very important artery of the body, of which it originates from the left ventricle. So the aorta can be divided into two parts. Of course, the abdominal aorta, the thoracic, and the thoracic aorta. So we've got the abdominal and the thoracic aorta. So the abdominal aorta actually it's just below the aorta, which descends below the diaphragm. We call it as the abdominal aorta, which further divides into the iliac artery, into the left and right iliac artery. So which supply blood to the lower limbs. Then our main focus is the thoracic aorta, of which it divides into three. We've got the ascending thoracic aorta, and we have the descending, of which this descending thoracic aorta, when it goes down below the diaphragm, it becomes the abdominal aorta. Then you have the anchor of the aorta, the anchor of that, which is this one here. So the anchor of the aorta, this divides it further divides into three. So the anchor of the aorta, it's actually heading towards the neck, towards the brain, of which it's the one which forms the circle of Hellis, which supplies blood to the brain. So this one, the anchor of the thoracic aorta, divides into three: the left common carotid artery, and the left subclavian artery, and further divides into the bronchocephalic artery. So the left common carotid artery, this one divides into two. It also further divides. So it further divides into two. It divides into the internal common carotid artery, of which it's the one which supplies blood to the. It's one of the main arteries that supplies blood to the brain, and of the external common carotid artery, of which it supplies the face. We have it branches as well. We have, for example, the facial arteries. But the facial arteries, the mystoid arteries, which supplies the muscle and the face, but the legal artery and others. So it basically has main arteries that supply blood to the face. Then we have the bronchocephalic artery, of which is one of the arteries that branches from the anchor of the thoracic artery. So they divides into the right common carotid artery and the right subclavian artery. So basically these are the main branches of the aorta. So join me in the next video. I will look at blood supply to the brain. Don't forget to subscribe and share the